Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My students in grade 10, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This week, we will not be having new lessons. As I told you last time that this week, we will be having a revision. So, today we will revise how to answer questions and how to use present perfect. And that will be in review D. This is part 1, and tomorrow, inshallah, we will have part 2 of the same lesson. So open your course books, page 65, and we will take another exercise in page 66. So now open page 65. Now, these are the objectives of our lesson. The first objective, after reading the questions, you should answer these questions correctly using the words between brackets. I mean that you have words at the end of the question. You have to use these words to answer the questions, okay? Number 2, students should change sentences from past simple to present perfect correctly. And I think now all of you should know the meaning of past simple and the meaning of present perfect. Past simple, for example, when I say I went to the mall last week, I went to the mall last week. I went in a specific time, which is last week. And present perfect is to use have or has followed by the third form of the verb. I have gone to the mall. I have gone to the mall. Here I use have and gone, which is the past participle of the verb go, but I don't use a specific time in the past. I don't use yesterday or last week or whatsoever. Now, these are the key words of our lesson. The first word is tunnel. I think that you all know the meaning of tunnel. This is the tunnel. Yeah, it's a big hole underground that trains or sometimes cars drive through. And the second word is bridge, and I think you all know bridge. The tunnel is underground. The bridge is over the ground, sometimes over the sea, as you see here, for cars or maybe trains. This is a bridge. And the last word is Mars. Mars is a planet. I think that you all know Mars. Yeah, this is the Mars planet. Okay. Now, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. This is exercise number 8. Answer these questions. As I told you, we need to change. Here we need to answer these questions using the words given here. Sometimes one word or date or number like this. So here in each sentence or in each question, you have words between brackets. You need to use these words to answer the question. Look at the example. Did they complete the Milao Bridge in 2000? Now you should answer with no, but you should use this date or this number between brackets. You should use it in your answer. Now, did they complete the bridge in 2000? No, they didn't. They completed it in 2004. This is 2004. We got it from here in 2004. So in this question number 2, now you need to answer with no, and the correct statement will be using this word or these words, video shop. Now look here. Have you ever worked in an electronics company? Now, the answer is no. You worked where? You worked in a video shop, not electronics company. So you will say no, and you say I worked in a video shop. So look here at the answer. Have you worked in an electronics company? No, I haven't. I've worked in a video shop. Video shop, I get it from here. And look here, I use the short form of have not. And here I use the short form of I have. I use I've instead of I have. Question number 3. Will they build a bridge from Africa to Europe? Is it a bridge? No, it's a tunnel. It's a tunnel. So you'll say, no, they won't. And as you know that we use I told you before that we use the same helping verb that we use in the question. We use it in the answer. Will here, will here. Want means will not. This word want means will not. So will here and will here. The same question before. Have here and have here. The one before. Did here and did here. So the same helping verb that we use in the question, we use in the answer. So no, they won't. They'll build a tunnel. It's a tunnel. It's not a bridge. So the tunnel we get from here. So they won't. No, they won't. They will build a tunnel between Africa and Europe, or to Europe. Okay. Now number 4. Are they constructing a tunnel now? You should. The answer is planning and designing, not constructing. They are still planning and designing. So are they constructing the tunnel now? No, they aren't. And here we use the short form of are not. They're planning and designing it now. So planning and designing, not constructing. Okay? Planning and designing. And here there is the short form of they are. Question number 5. Has NASA ever put men on Mars? On Mars, no. But on the moon, so no, it hasn't. It's put men on the moon, not on Mars. And it's here stands for it has. It has put men on the moon. Can you tell me what does the pronoun it here refer to? Yes, it here refers to NASA. It means NASA has put men on the moon. Question number 6. Did Russia launch the first satellite in 1960? No, it's 1960. It's 1957. So the answer will be no, it didn't. It launched it in 1957. We get it from here. Okay. Now please look at exercise number 9, which is the last exercise for today. Rewrite the sentences using the present perfect tense. And I told you many times how to use the present perfect. We use have with plural nouns, has with singular nouns, followed by the third form or the past participle of the verb. Okay? Now remember, don't use a time expression such as yesterday or an hour ago with the present perfect, because we use yesterday, an hour ago, last week, in 2017. We use such dates with the past simple. Past simple. Past simple is used to talk about actions that happened at a certain time in the past. But if we use the present perfect, we can't use such words like yesterday or ago or 2015 or whatsoever. Okay, so look at the example. My car broke down 5 minutes ago. Look here, broke is past simple, and we use it with ago. It broke down 5 minutes ago. Now we want to change it into present perfect. We say, my car has broken down. So here we delete the time expression. We can't say 5 minutes ago. My car has broken down. The time here is not mentioned. It's not mentioned. Yeah, my car has broken down in the past, but when it's not mentioned. Okay, so it's indefinite time. NASA launched the space shuttle 15 minutes ago. 15 minutes ago. It's past simple. We have ago and we have launched. Now we want to change it into present perfect. Yes. The answer is NASA has launched the space shuttle. The verb here launched, here has launched. Here it's present perfect. And the time is not mentioned here. 3. A virus attacked our office computers 2 hours ago. When did it attack the computers? 2 hours ago. So we want to use it here in indefinite time, in general. In the past, but it's not mentioned. It will not be mentioned. So a virus has attacked our office computers. No time here. 4. I wrote the email and I sent it to the customer yesterday. This is the time. I wrote, I sent yesterday. So the answer, I have, you can say I have, I've written the email and I've sent it to the customer. I've written, wrote becomes here have written. Sent here have sent. This is present perfect. Okay? Now number 5. The technician took the hard drive out of the computer an hour ago. When? An hour ago. Here, the technician has taken. Has because the subject is singular, it's one technician, we use has, and taken is the past participle of took, because you know, take, took, taken. So, he has taken the hard drive out of the computer when it's not mentioned. The exhaust pipe fell off my car 10 minutes ago. So, the answer is the exhaust pipe has fallen off my car. Look here, broke, broken. Launched, launched, because you know this is a regular verb. Ed here and ed in the past participle. Attacked, attacked, the same thing. It's an irregular verb. It's a regular verb. Yeah, so we use ed in second form and in third form. Here, wrote, written, write, wrote, written. I think that you all know these verbs. Send, sent, sent. Here we have take, took, taken. Yeah. Yes. And the last thing is fall, fell, fallen. Okay. So this is everything for today, because I told you that this is the last week in distance learning, so we'll be having only revision. Yeah. Please don't forget to go to Teams application and answer the assignment there within 24 hours. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.